YouTube. Okay, so everyone knows, just so everyone knows, I'm required to broadcast our hearings on YouTube Live since the court is closed physically to the public. So anything that you're doing or anything that you say will be broadcasted on YouTube Live. Okay. This is the People versus Aliyah Fuller, calling case U-563-30720, one count of disorderly conduct. Parents?
Ellen Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am? Ms. Fuller, what's your name, please?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Olivia Fuller. Sorry, it was on mute.
Okay.
For arraignment purposes?
Your Honor, for arraignment purposes, we've waived the formal reading. Stand muted at this time.
Okay.
Ms. Fuller wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution to a 3-month delayed sentence.
Okay. Ms. Fuller, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you
Oh,
have
I
an
do.
opportunity-
Could you repeat that?
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Soroki today about your case?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will? You can put your hands down.
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yeah.
You understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Ms. Fuller, I'd like to bring your attention to July 4th, 2020, around 2:30 a.m. in the area of Beaubien and Larned in the city of Detroit. On that date and that time around that location, did you engage in disorderly conduct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I will accept your guilty plea. Did you want to say something?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay, I didn't know if you
Sorry.
Okay. I will also adopt the recommendation for a delayed sentence. Ms. Fuller, so what that means is that, after 3 months, if you haven't picked up any other cases, this will be dismissed from your record as if it didn't happen, okay?
Okay.
But you can't pick up any more disorderly conduct cases or any other misdemeanors, okay?
Okay.
You have any?
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm also going to waive your fines and costs today, so it'll be typically about $240, so I'm gonna zero your balance out for you, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You are all set. Go
You're
ahead
welcome.
and have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Florence. Calling case 49487 versus Deontay Florence, one count of no insurance. Today's the day set for an arraignment. Appearance?
Ellen Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Deontay Florence.
Your Honor, defendant wishes to waive the full reading information. Stand muted at this time. He also wishes to accept the offer of prosecution to improper place.
Okay, can you raise your right hand, Mr. Florence? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Soroki today about your case in private?
Yes.
Put your hand up. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
Nope.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
I don't think I'm guilty, but hey, I'm trying to get this out of my way, ma'am.
Well, Mr.
I
Florence,
just want to get it out my
so if you're not guilty, I can't enter a guilty plea. We can set this for a trial date, okay?
I'm trying to get this out of my way. I'd rather just pay y'all money.
Mr. Florence, you're not listening to them. If you don't think you're guilty, and if you are not guilty, it's not going to enter a guilty plea. Do you understand that?
I think I'm guilty. I'm sorry. I think I'm guilty. I ain't understand the question.
Okay, I need you to listen. Because I'm not here to just let people just get through and plead guilty just to get it over with. That's my job as a judge to make sure that people are pleading guilty because they're actually guilty, not because they want to just get it over with. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I'd like to bring your attention to April 26, 2020, around 1:30 p.m. in the area of Braille and Plymouth in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2013 black Jeep vehicle without insurance?
Yes.
Okay. Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay. I will amend the charge to improper plate, so it'll be 0-point offense. And I'm also going to waive your fines and costs today, so you don't have to pay anything to the court, okay?
Yes, and I got one question.
You're welcome first, so how about that? Start there.
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry. I don't want to be rude. I'm just kind of in the middle of work right now. I'm stressed out with the life. But so I won't have to come back and nothing else after.
You don't have anything before me scheduled, no. You may have some civil infractions that you need to take care of. You can do that on our website. You can check for those. You don't need to see a judge for those. You can just go ahead and pay them. Or if you think that you didn't.
I have some civil infractions.
No, I didn't say that. I said if you
Oh,
do,
oh,
you do. You
oh,
can take
oh.
yourself without for a judge.
Okay.
But you can check on everything on our website. So you can put your name in and you can see everything for yourself as to what's still outstanding. But it wouldn't be any misdemeanors before me.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
You are all set. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks. Okay, I'm going to put you on with Mr. Christopher Jones.
Hello.
Mr. Jones, good afternoon. Go ahead and accept the invitation. The offer is for failure to display with the no insurance to be dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. And Mr. Willie Ford,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Mr. Ford, you're a little early for your court date. Your court date isn't until the 22nd, September 22nd.
So why did they mail me all these tickets there, the 15th and the 16th?
I did something wrong.
They mailed me one for the day for the 15th non-registered vehicle, and then they mailed me one for the 16th for the same thing.
Mr. Jones, go back into the breakout room.
Okay. I don't know how to get back in there.
You look at the bottom and you have to go, it doesn't, an invitation doesn't pop up after the first time you go in. So you have to go to the bottom, look for where it says go back into the room. Look at the bottom toolbar.
Okay.
What's Mr. Ford's middle name?
James.
Judge, for some reason, this is Judge Mark to be removed from for today and put on her docket for tomorrow. I don't know why. It was removed from your docket. You were removed. You were removed, and that's not, I didn't do it. I mean, I don't know why. I don't have an explanation.
Okay, Mr. Ford, we'll take care of everything on the 22nd. Okay, don't worry about the other court dates, okay?
Okay, everything on the 22nd?
Yep, don't worry about any warrants, don't worry about anything. You just come on the 22nd, at 1:30 and we'll take care of everything at one time, okay?
So it's all going in front of you, back to your courtroom?
Yes, I'm not sure why you were in front of Judge Blount anyway.
All right, thank
You're welcome. Have a good rest of your day.
you. You too.
Thanks. If the gentleman with the K-51 phone is It's his name.
That's Frederick Jimerson.
Frederick Jimerson. Mr. Jimerson, if you can hear me, can you shake your head up and down?
We're waiting on Christopher Jones, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, People versus Christopher Jones, calling case P1079971, count 1, failure to display a valid operator's license, not on person, count 2, no insurance. Appearance?
Alan P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Christopher Jones.
Yes. Your Honor, defendant waives formal reading, stands mute to the charges. He also wishes to enter a plea pursuant to the offer.
Okay, is that correct, Mr. Jones?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Use the other one, the other right hand.
Oh.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Sabree today about your case?
Yes.
Okay, did anyone force you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to May 3rd, 2020. You can put your hand down. I'd like to bring your attention to May 3rd, 2020, around 5:15 p.m. in the area of Plymouth and Abington in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2006 Pontiac red vehicle without an operator's license on your person.
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will dismiss count 2. There's stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated.
Okay, and for fines and costs, Mr. Jones, I'm waiving your fines and costs as well, so you don't have to pay anything to the court, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, you're all set. Have a good day.
All right, thank you. You too.
And let's get Ms. Fick next. The offer is for her to plead responsible to 6 to 10 over with the no insurance count to be dismissed. Ms.
Okay, thank
Fick,
you, Your Honor.
Ms. Fick,
Yes.
do you have, valid insurance at this time, or are you still working on it?
No, I have valid insurance at this time.
Okay, so I'm gonna amend the offer since she has valid insurance. I'll do blockading for the civil infraction.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Fick, do you want to take that, or do you want me to discuss it with you in the breakout room?
What was it again?
Blockading traffic, which is a parking ticket. And the other ticket will be dismissed for no insurance.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
It'll be 0 points on your license, and I'm waiving fines and costs today, so it's pretty much the best deal you're gonna get.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Calling case SP 107-4795-1, the people versus Jessica Fick, speeding 11 to 15 over the speed limit, and SP 107-47971, no insurance. Appearance?
Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Jessica Fick.
Yes. Your Honor, defendant waives a formal reading of the information, stands mute at this time. She also wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution.
Okay, Ms. Fick, is it correct you have valid insurance on the 2013 Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. So because of that, I'm going to amend the charge and allow you to plead responsible to blockading traffic, from the original speeding to the stipulation to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea.
I'm sorry, what'd you say? It cut out.
Is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Fink, I accepted your responsible plea. I am waiving your fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything to the court, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Is that your kid in the background?
I'm sorry.
Is that your kid in the background?
No, it's my little brother.
Hello, little brother. Okay, well, you are all set. If you don't have any questions, you have a good day.
You too, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye. Okay, let's do Mr. D'Angelo Jones. The offer for his case is for disorderly conduct with the recommendation for 8 hours of community service, the morality class, and the STI testing.
Okay, do you want us to go to the breakout room so I can, yes, I'll discuss that with them in private. Thank you.
Mr. Jones, go ahead and accept that invitation. Would you happen to have Mr. Jimerson's phone number, and do you remember which number is it?
Did he call, Judge?
He's on the call, but
I didn't talk to him. I don't have him on the phone at all.
he has no audio, no video.
His number? Which one? I don't know.
It's
What
gonna
say
say
bless, bless.
Mr. Jimerson?
Just what? It say bless, bless. A blessed mess? Is that what you're saying to me? Ms.
No.
Chapman?
It's gonna say. Is that frozen?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Judge. I forgot we was on that.
I might be.
It's not on my channel.
Okay.
Okay, are we ready on Mr. Jones?
Yeah, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, this is the people versus D'Angelo Jones, calling case U 576-32820.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P374441. I'm here on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
D'Angelo Jones.
Your Honor, defendant waives a form of reading and stands muted at this time.
Okay, I'll enter a not guilty plea.
Yes. Your Honor, defendant wishes to have this matter set for pretrial, and he wants the offer to remain open up till the pretrial.
Okay, so the charge is receiving and admitting another for an act of prostitution, just for the record. Mr. Jones, you don't get to request that, but I will, based off of the offer here, it does
Okay,
not
cool.
say, It does not say that it's only offered today, so it'll be available on the pretrial date as well.
Okay, because I was telling him I don't want to plead guilty for something I'm not guilty of.
That's why I'm entering a not guilty plea. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll set a pretrial date. You'll have an attorney present
No.
on that date.
Oh.
You will have an attorney to represent you. If you don't have one hired for yourself, if you don't obtain counsel, there will be a free one like Mr. Soroki today. The offer will still be on the table. You can talk to that attorney. If you still don't want to move forward, then we'll set a trial date, okay? If you don't wanna- Okay?
Okay, thank you.
So your pre-trial date is gonna be, I'll do October 29th at 8:30.
Okay.
We'll still be on Zoom.
Okay, thank you.
You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Great, we're all set.
All right, have a good day.
You too, thank you.
It looks like we have one more person on with K51.
Yeah, his audio isn't
Judge,
working. He's
he-
on the phone. Oh, we got him. He's on the call.
Okay.
That might be the lady.
Just to respond. Are you Mr. Jefferson? Okay, your audio isn't working, so we're gonna do it over the phone. Okay? If you get disconnected, just call back, okay?
All right, you already get it, right?
Yes, I am.
All right, you had my boy there a couple of months ago.
We're just having a little family affair in here, huh? Okay, so it's gonna be a little different because, you're on the telephone, but let me at least call your matters and then we'll see how we'll get to you being able to talk to an attorney, okay?
Okay, thank you.
This is the People versus Frederick Jemerson calling cases P 1090352, count 1, driving while license suspended, count 2, no insurance, count 3, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, P 1090350, failure to stop for stop sign, and count 2, registration and or plate violation. Appearance,
Alan Soroki, P37441, up here on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Frederick Gene Emerson.
and to Mr. Soroki, the offer is for him to plead guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid operator's license and to plead responsible to limited access 1 to 5 over, with the remaining counts to be dismissed. Is it possible, Mr. Soroki, that he can contact you, or you can contact him with his cell phone, and you all can speak privately about it?
Yes, that's fine, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Jemison, I'm going to give him your number so that he can contact you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And so, once you all are done, then you call back into the court, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna be right now, in about 20 seconds.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so go ahead and disconnect, and then, he'll be calling you shortly. Bye.
Excuse me, hello?
Uh-huh, yes.
Which phone number do you have, ma'am?
I have 4, I didn't want to call it over